So we bought a truck. It's a International 4700 DT466E. We're gonna build a tiny home on the back of it.
It used to be an old Frito-Lay, I guess, delivery truck with a lift gate and all that, but we sold the box off of it. There's quite a bit of prep to be done before we can actually start building the home on the back. And we're gonna bring you along for the journey. Everything that we do here on this build can be applied to any other box truck or bus conversion or any other truck conversion or even like regular sticks and bricks house.
And we've also started a Patreon for those of you who want to contribute to the project, and we will be posting Amazon affiliate links in the video descriptions as we go.